news everywhere.
I have no quality of life anymore.
Josee Laroche is one of 200 people whose symptoms are being studied by a team of researchers from McGill University, Université de Sherbrooke, and the Clinical Research Institute of Montreal. They're examining why people like her, who were once infected with COVID-19, continue to experience sometimes debilitating symptoms long after contracting the virus.
Now I've been diagnosed by Dr. Wynn with severe hypotension, severe POTS syndrome, severe chronic fatigue, and severe post-COVID syndrome.
Experts say long-haul COVID affects between 15 and 40% of those who caught COVID-19. She says most of the patients are young women, many of whom were in perfect health prior to being infected.
After 2 weeks, I was still basically bedridden. I was exhausted. I was fatigued. And I still had a cough, and I still had breathlessness. I was still feeling very confused. Lots of brain fog that had come on at that point. And I thought, well, I can barely, I was walking maybe to the corner of the street. That was the maximum I could do. And I was thinking, this isn't normal.
The impact of Quebec COVID-19 long-haul study aims to identify those who will suffer from long COVID-19 symptoms after being infected and what medication can help.
We will provide them an initial meeting, do blood work measurement of the inflammatory blood markers, do imaging of the heart, and then also provide follow-up and support during 1 year and repeat on the test later on.
Dr. Wynn says she's mainly concerned about long-haul patients who are encouraged by family physicians just to go home and rest. She wants to raise awareness within the medical profession about the severity of long-haul COVID and ensure long-haulers get the help they need.
At the present time, there's two rehab programs for COVID, but we need to have more distributed across the province. There should be more specialists and family doctors interested to help out those patients.
Part of the reason, for example, Dr. Wynn's research is so important is for that. It's for understanding what's happening to us, and I'm happy to contribute to research in that way. So I've been able to be part of quite a few research projects, which has given me access to healthcare and services that I wouldn't have had otherwise, unfortunately, because our healthcare system is just not providing it at the moment.
In Montreal, Samsara Rainville, City News.